everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to log into your Facebook account. In order to log into your Facebook account, you need to follow these steps. Now here you need to make sure to update the app to the latest version or install the app to the latest version. So open up your respective app store, type in Facebook and update the app to the latest version. After which, click on the open button and this is where the interface will take you. Now you just need to click on the login button, right? So over here you want to click on use another profile or tap on login. Now then, you want to type in the phone number, email address associated with your account. Tap the login button, and if the information seems to be valid enough, you'll be logged into your account as soon as possible. You'll be logged into your account, and once you're logged into your account, you could then go and save your login info, and that is basically how you could log into your Facebook. And for some reason, if you're unable to log in, then you could go ahead and update your password or maybe check your internet connection. That should be able to help. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.